How to get your Phantom Wallet address. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Make sure that you authenticate your app and sign in with necessary credentials. After that, once you're on the home page, you will see the receipt button at top left corner. Simply tap on it. A list of tokens will appear. Select the token for which you want to view the wallet address. So this is our Solana address. You can easily copy the address and paste it anywhere you would like to. Note that each token has different wallet address. For example, to find your Ethereum wallet address, you can select Ethereum from the token list. Similarly, to find your Polygon wallet address, you can easily select the Polygon uh, tokens. So make sure to select the specific token for which you want to receive funds or as is as it has its own unique wallet address. So that is how you can easily find your wallet address on Phantom Wallet. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.